Hi, my name is Sethi and I'm a travel analytics consultant helping travel companies, OTAs, hoteliers leverage the power of proprietary data and artificial intelligence to exponentially scale up their businesses. I also run a company called Analytics 40 Lab, a data analytics company providing travel technology analytics solution powered by data analytics and artificial intelligence. Welcome to my videos about the world of travel data analytics. Analyze your travel data to increase your business revenue. In my last videos, I talk about how the blend of data and analytics can transform the future of travel. In this video, we will have an inside look at monetizing the data using the Smart Data Analytics platform. How monetizing data is the key to revenue growth. Your analytics dashboard will help you drive your business. It's an absolute win in the age of data with smartly crafted data strategy designed around your business needs and goals. Not only this, it delivers value to the top and bottom lines with the improved data operations, business intelligence, security, and data monetization. Now, regardless of the size, every company is bound to have a well thought out data strategy at some point to keep up with the market competition. To understand exactly what your customer need, when they need it, data analytics technology help business meet those demands. Armed with endless amount of data from customer loyalty programs, buying habits and other sources, you not only have an in-depth understanding of your customer, it also helps you predict, recommend new products and boost your profitability. Now clearly the days of strong instincts and gut feeling has passed for the businesses. Without the necessary information, your decision making will be dangerously based on the inklings, fantasies, emotion, feelings, and hunches. And disaster is not far away. Thus, having sound and intelligibly presented information for further analysis is the basis for deciding what steps will lead you to the right path. Now, today, value, data, and insights gives a stronger base for better customer analysis and predictions for future outcomes. Now, let's learn to utilize the data the right way. Now, think of a travel business that relies on a quick, agile decision to stay competitive. Now, if you're a key decision maker, you know that the choices you make have the power to make or break your company. So, it is essential that decisions are always smart, timely, and data driven. Now, think of a typical decision you might need to make. Figuring out what new travel packages you introduce considering your traveler type and which geographical region will these packages do best in. You may start by trying to make the sense of complicated spreadsheets and report, and maybe you even need to solicit inputs from your product managers, suppliers, vendors, and travel managers. Now, you may also need to work with a data analyst to run some reports. In the end, you spend far too much time and effort into this. Now, what if you had a 360 view of your business? What if you had a smart data analytics platform that you could simply ask question? And what if the system could swift millions of data points to immediately give you the correct answer you need in an instant? You could ask questions like, what is the distribution of traveler segment and which of them are underperforming and why? And the system should instantly comb through the data points, identify patterns, anomalies to give you the valuable insights you need to make the data-driven decision instantly. Now, these insights would be based on the data that has been pulled from various data sources such as your CRM, your travel data, your transactional data, ERP data, social media, and much more. Now, the pattern in the analysis highlight the opportunity at different level with the ability to gauge business and customer needs and the power to deliver customers what they want. Now, it empowers decision maker with both prescriptive and predictive insights to support faster and better data driven decision making. Now, let's see some of the most frequently asked questions which are formulated in the travel sector. Now, how can it find out the destination that have yielded the greatest customer base? How many searches does the user make before confirming the sale, how early are the bookings generally made, figuring out the segments with similar behavior, determining which traveler segment, products, or customer contribute the most to your profit and why not others, how they are differentiated as a loyal or an occasional customer, what destinations and hotels generate the most revenue, what type of services and product give you the more profit. Conduct a spend analysis where you can identify the groups with different demographic characteristics. And then you can have an year on year comparison, how many booking versus cancellation have been made per destination and hotel, which agencies generate the most sale, and much more. So, do you have to spend precious time chasing up your staff for reports and figure? Let's connect at the email ID given below. I can help you use your data to answer the key business questions. Now, with this intelligence interface, one can take control over their business and give a prompt overview of your sales and bookings and business health. Easy to read insights from the dashboard enable user the chance to swiftly understand your business and rapidly take the required actions with advanced analytics capability to focus the sales and demand. Now, this gives every bit of intelligence about your business that you require to know at any moment of time. All the data can be filtered down between certain dates and criteria. You can have insight as per your monthly overview, day of the week, day of the month, and even by the hour. Now, whether you are a sales manager or in any other relevant role, having access to this information is vital in seeing what is happening and what areas are underperforming in your business. Now, organizing and monitoring your business data has now become easier with Analytics Dashboard, created using Microsoft Business Intelligence tool like Power Automate, Power BI, and it can be used in streamlining your sales operations with one simple and easy to use platform. Now, Analytics Dashboard gives you up-to-date information instantly. Now, have an overview of your sales within your company. You can further break down to different sales level. You can see your daily, weekly, and monthly reports, have insights on your retail outlets, how your branches are performing, and much more. Now, to sum up, I would like to add that data analytics is driving business growth strategy and helps achieve business goal even faster than before. To learn how your business can utilize the capabilities of data analytics to improve customer experience and revenue opportunities, connect with me. I have helped my clients and so can help you. Drop me a line sharing your business challenge and I will help you nail those challenges. I hope this information helped you. Do click the like button if this video provided any value to you and share it and spread a word with as many business groups. And yes, before we go, please don't forget to subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Your subscription will help the channel grow and will keep me motivated to keep on making more content for you. Thank you for your time. Thanks for watching the videos. Look forward to see you in my next video. Have a nice day.